Jeff Goldblum. Jeff Goldblum? We're looking for Jeff Goldblum. Oh. And here we have it, Mr. Velocicoaster. Here we are. Woo! Velocicoaster and technical rehearsal. Oh my god. Oh my. I'm gonna cry. Look at this. Here we go. Here we have the test seat. If you can't tell already, I'm crying and sweating. This is so exciting. These are...
I'll take it from here.
DNA.
Let's get you ready to enter the paddock with real live raptors.
Alright. Passengers will be available for all guests prior to boarding the attraction. Your attention.
It's the Jeff Goldblum bus. Oh my. Oh, they look real. This is wild.
Loose articles are not permitted on
I'm so
Velocicoaster.
hyped.
Phones, loose change, and small
I think this is where I have to let you guys go.
Lockers prior to riders.
We're gonna die. Thank you.
And bags must be left with a
Locker 4. All right. See you guys.
Here we go! Oh my god! No! 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 We haven't even reached the top hat! What the hell? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Oh my god! No! No! I don't... Are you kidding me? I can't breathe.
We just got our stuff out of the lockers. Oh my god. Thank you. Thank you. That was the best moment of my life. Dude. Look.
It was intense.
Intense?
Intense.
Awesome.
I like the twist, turn.
Oh, that was your favorite part?
I think my favorite part was when it flipped you over.
Oh yeah.
Over the water?
Oh, over the water. I felt like I was gonna fall out. I was like,
Yeah,
this is
my
amazing.
body lifted out of the seat.
I know.
I was so like,
Awesome. Well, thank you so much. What's your name?
Jason.
Nice to meet you, Jason. Can we get your honest opinion on the new Velocicoaster?
It was by far the best roller coaster in Florida, I think.
Awesome. I agree. Do you have a favorite part?
A favorite part is whenever you're upside down over the water, you feel like you're going to fall into the water.
That's exactly what we thought. Awesome. Well, thank you so much. All right. What was your honest reaction?
Damn. I don't have another
the
word.
best.
The most amazing ride I've ever met.
Awesome.
I knew it was bad. I know it was going to be good.
Oh, yeah.
That's beyond.
yeah.
Awesome.
That
That's
is
exactly what I think.
amazing.
All the airtime.
And the end time is
Over the water, it was just like,
barrel roll.
yeah.
Oh man, God, I knew it was going to be good. But
Oh, yeah.
damn.
I know. Damn.
You have a great day.
Thank you so much. You too. Thank you. Now, what are your honest first impressions, first opinions?
Amazing.
Amazing.
Like, yeah, like
Yes.
there were literally points of the Velocicoaster where like you are going upside down and staying upside down for
Oh, yeah.
like it feels like forever. Like you
Oh,
keep
yeah.
wondering like when am I flipping back? Like when am I
Oh,
tipping
yeah.
Airtime.
Oh, yeah. I felt like I was like falling out of my seat the majority of the time.
the entire time? It
But in
was
the
amazing.
best way possible.
In the best way possible.
Yeah. Do you guys have
literally.
a favorite part of the entire roller coaster?
All of it.
All of it.
But-
Fair enough.
but there's
Yeah.
a moment where like
You don't know
it's-
what's going on.
Right, and it's interesting because
Yep.
in a practical coaster like this, you don't expect
Yeah.
there to be anything virtual, but there's like
Exactly.
virtual elements to it as well, and that was neat.
I was really surprised at how fast the first part was.
Yes.
Like seeing it in the initial test, I was like, that's a little slow, but nope, not slow now.
Oh man, when it was first going too, like you're just like like just cruising. It was comfortable, smooth. It was smooth.
Yeah.
And then all of a sudden, it just, I mean, it picks up. Honestly, and I'm a huge Hulk fan. That blows
Yeah.
Hulk out of the water.
Oh
Like,
yeah. Oh
right out
yeah.
of the water.
I 100% agree.
Like Hulk
Also-
is it looks completely dated.
It looks like I was telling my friend Evan, I was like, it looks like Woody Woodpecker compared to
Yes,
Velocicoaster.
absolutely.
Yeah. Honest opinion, Evan.
Honestly, it's pretty trash.
It's trash. I agree. Let's go. They turn the lower level of the Discovery Center into a Velocicoaster gift shop. So you exit the ride and immediately come in here and you're greeted with Velociraptor and all of these. Amazing. Okay. I'm fully 100% speechless. We just got off like 5-10 minutes ago. I've been asking people their honest opinions, but honestly, my opinion is it sucked. Let's go. No, I'm just kidding. Number one, best roller coaster I have ever been on. There are elements where you literally feel like you're gonna fall out, dude. The first part was crazy fast, faster than I thought it would be. And as soon as you get shot out at 70 miles per hour or more, I think, into the top hat, you have to regain consciousness for a second. My expectations are completely blown out of the park. Incredible. I cried, happy tears and terrified tears, but oh my god. Okay, this is how I feel after the Velocicoaster, in the best way. It's how I feel. Oh, they still have some more Velocicoaster stuff over here. That's sick. Where's the Jeff Goldblum merch? Now I think we're gonna head to the Universal Annual Pass Lounge and we can find the special Universal Annual Pass shirts. Honestly, we only have one problem with the Velocicoaster.
Too short.
And it's too short. It needs to be longer.
Should be like 10 minutes.
I agree. That ride was awesome. All right, we just made it to the annual pass holder lounge. We're chilling in here because it is hot as anything outside. To commemorate the day, I got a Velocicoaster t-shirt. It says, "What could go wrong?" And then it has a little annual pass holder thing on the side. Guys, the photos before weren't actually of us on the Velocicoaster. They got a secret sneak peek of me after the Velocicoaster. It's right here. That's terrifying. It is hot and we are tired, so we are going home. All right, now that I'm in a bit of a shadier spot, I just wanted to say thank you for watching this video. I hope this video cleared up a little bit of fear that you guys may have had for the Velocicoaster, or maybe added more excitement to it, because honestly, this was the best roller coaster I have ever ridden in my entire life. Honestly, truthfully, the Velocicoaster, I'm gonna have to say it's better than Hagrid's and it's better than the Hulk, and that's it. That's all I'm gonna say. I don't want to spoil anything, but let me tell you, it was fast. Like the beginning part, I'm very surprised at how fast the Velocicoaster was. My soul's definitely left on that ride. Today's also May the 4th, so happy May the 4th to everybody. I'll have some content up. It's probably already up by the time I upload this video, but thank you for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful May the 4th.